Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is the pork adobo. So I haven't got the right cut of pork, so I'm using this. This is a pork shoulder, but as you know, I don't like the fat on anything, so this is coming off. This is what I can get off. Let's get as much as I can off. Basically, we're just going to cut this up. This is all going in the Ziploc bag, like so. Get some garlic. Going into the bag. And here I've got some light soy. And some white vinegar. We'll adjust that once it's cooking. So that is going to sit in that bag in the fridge probably a good few hours until we're going to have this later on tonight, so we'll see you back then. Okay, so we're back. We'll get our rice on. I'm using this rice, Tilda, Jasmin rice, because I really like that one. So the rice is on. I've got the pan out. I've got our pork. It's been marinating for about 5 hours in garlic and soy sauce and a little bit of vinegar. So what I'm going to do is going to get this out. What I'm going to do is going to drain the liquid out. Obviously the soy sauce. Get the heat on. A little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add some onions. Add our pork and garlic. Basically, I'm going to cook this down and just get a little bit of colour on it before I add the soy sauce. Half a cup of lemon and lime juice. Soy sauce mix, about the same with water, and some bay leaves. And we'll let that simmer away and come back and we're going to dish it up. So, see you soon. Okay, so there we go. Got our pork adobo. Obviously the pork was done in soy sauce, some bay leaves, peppercorns, a little bit of lemon and lime juice, and there was something else but I can't think what it is, but anyway. The rice was jasmine rice. It's cooked really nice and sticky, and what I done, I just put some dried chives in when it was cooked and just mixed it up and just let it sit. So this rice smells really good, so I'm really pleased with that. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later guys, bye.